Dear audience, today I will be presenting about PhD opportunities at Ulster University Computing. So we have a few funded scholarships for PhD and you can apply for it. So one of it is related to reliable AI for healthcare, enhancing large language model transparency with uncertainty quantification. So I will be presenting about this new opportunity for you. And tomorrow is the deadline, which is 24th of February. So you need to rush out for apply to this one. So the main supervisor is Dr. Tazir for that one, and Drenny Mori and me. And you can apply on the link provided you can see on the screen. And there is some guidelines on the YouTube video as well, which is given on the first screen. So what is the overview for this funding opportunities? Like, it's exciting research projects we have it, and it's about like, how is reliable AI in healthcare because healthcare has some biasness. So how to like, check with it because healthcare is a sensitive issue. So we will be like, looking into the LLMs and seeing what are the transparencies issues with that one. This opportunity is funded by DFE, which is Department of Economy, UK, and Vice Chancellor Research Scholarships. It will cover like full tuition fee coverages and maintenance allowance, which is like 19,237 per annum. And then you have also have research training support grant, which is £900 per annum, which will cover your conference fees and other activities related to your research. And this opportunity is all over the world, from Australia to the Brazil. Okay, so overview, reliable AI for healthcare enhancing large language model transparency with uncertainty quantifications, like, what are the focus areas and whether you are like eligible for it or whether you are like, your interest lies in it. So you need to see if you have interest in utilizing wearable and sensor data to improve healthcare monitorings and activity-based research, then I think this opportunity is for you. We need to addressing the black box challenge for the LLMs and then developing uncertainty quantification methods, for example, like probability based calibrations, conformal predictions, and Bayesian techniques. So this is the area. If you're interested in this one, you're most welcome. You need to apply as soon as possible. And then the research objectives for this scholarship is enhanced transparency and reliability of AI prediction in healthcare. So this is the main thing which we need to discuss. So why this scholarship is important? You need to like, it because it's related to the healthcare, so definitely it will improve the patient's safety. It quantifies uncertainties to reduce the risk in AI-driven healthcare decision because now AI is everywhere in hospitals, clinics, and ambulances everywhere. AI is involved where like, we have some variables things. So in that one, it's also available. Yeah, so that like boost trust in AI. So since people are looking at whether should we trust AI or no, so we are working towards that one that till which level we need to trust on the AI, makes LLM predictions more interpretable and reliable as well. And then as like sometimes we can rely on like LLMs in ChatGPT and LLM for emails, writings, and all these things. So they yes, we can rely on that one. So now we need to look whether can we rely in the healthcare as well or no. Addresses real world challenges like overcome limitation of opaque AI models in critical model medical application as well, and then pioneering research like advances the state of the art in medical NLPs and AI transparencies. So these are like the important aspects of this scholarship. So if you are interested in this one, so you are most welcome. So the question now says that if you are eligible and you are like interested in how to apply for this scholarship, so you need to hold expect a first or upper second class honors degree or equivalent. So honors degree means like 4 years bachelor degree, or if you have like master's degree, so that you are eligible to apply for it. So you need to submit a strong research proposal focused on medical NLP and uncertainty quantifications, and then the application details are like this is the reference number 1681382, and 24th of February 2025 is the deadline. And then we have interview date is on April, most probably in 2025, and the preferred date to start is September 2025, right? So you can contact this one. The main supervisor is Tazar Hussain and Adrien More and me, Maksud Mahmood. And so you can apply for this one. So key dates, yeah, these are the key dates I already mentioned. So it will cover your full tuition fees, maintenance allowance, research training, and support grants. So prepare your comprehensive research proposal, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, and apply online, quoting the appropriate reference number. So why to apply? Engage in a groundbreaking research in data security and AI in healthcare, benefit from full funding and internationally competitive research environment, and finalize your research proposal. Review the eligibility criteria and application guidelines, and submit your application online before the deadline as soon as possible. So if you have any questions, so you can contact me, you can contact Tazar, Adrena More, or yeah. So these three person are responsible for the scholarships, and you can apply on it, right? Or moreover, if you need some more information, you can refer to the Ulster University Doctoral College websites and supervisors, and then they can give you some more informations. Thank you very much, and see you.